this quarantine site right now. If you hear highways, that's because it's a freaking the storm. Yes. Look, I can see that, but it's really, really bad. Like, you can barely see the stuff in the back. It's all in my eyes. I had to run to it from the bathroom. So, yeah, while I'm recording this video, if you hear highways, that's what it is. Yeah. Look at white. Struggling. What? Come on. Ooh, shoot. Okay, so no, but what you do need is a basic mirror, and I just used some cardboard because I was being lazy and didn't want to go outside. You'll also need some frog tape so that the spray paint won't get on the mirror. And this is the kind of spray paint that I use, and honestly it's really, really good. So I just started off by using some of the frog tape and just aligning it on the lines of my mirror. But yeah, y'all, this freaking sandstorm really just tried to take me out. I'm up here walking to the bathroom. I'm like, okay, you know, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. The sand is not too bad. I come out the little porta potty because, you know, I'm at the quarantine site because I'm on detail or whatever. And the freaking wind knocks me over and it's like all in my face. And I'm running back to my living quarters. And the freaking people are laughing at me. Like, my friends are laughing at me. And my higher-ups are laughing at me. And, yeah, so it was really embarrassing. But, yeah. I just got my hair done, so I'm going to have to wash it, like, immediately. Like, I have freaking knowledge braids in my hair. So, yeah, this is going to be, like, tough. But, yeah, anyways, back to the video. I'm still just putting frog tape all around the mirror and just pressing it down to make sure that it's firm in the spot or whatever. And I'm putting it into all four corners. So this is like what you'll see me doing here and stuff like that. And sorry the quality is kind of terrible, but like I literally held my phone while trying to record for you guys at the same time. So like, yeah, I feel bad about that. So sorry, but I hope this video is still very useful and can help you achieve what you're looking to do. Or if you just like to watch this kind of stuff, then that's good also. So next, I just took some trash bags that I had and I just laid them down on the mirror so that I could also make it where my mirror did not, any spray paint did not get onto my mirror and stuff like that. So I just laid them across my mirror, as you can see. And then I'm just making sure that's all in place and making sure that all the corners are tucked in and not touching the white part, because the white part is what I'm going to use to put my spray paint on to get the color that I want before I attach the flowers. So now you're going to see me trying to set up my phone and try something new so that you guys could see me actually doing, like, putting the frog tape and stuff on without, like, bad quality, you know. And yeah, I'm up here sniffling and stuff like that because this freaking sand is like all in my mouth. I can literally taste the dirt, the sand, and the sandstorm was like not playing with me, and I just can't. Like, I literally still got sand in my mouth. Like, I washed my mouth out so many times and I still got freaking sand in my mouth, under my nails, in my hair, in my eyes. Like, it's just terrible, and people really just laughed at me and I'm so embarrassed. But yeah, so I'm just going over the plastic bag with the tape still. I'll be going over all four corners once again and just making it to where the spray paint won't get on the mirror, making it very secure, you know. And don't laugh at my little booty fingers because they look real terrible at this moment because I did not get my nails done, and I'm in the military, so like I can only have like clear nails, or like it used to be French tip nails too, but I think it's just clear nails. So yeah, as long as it doesn't take away from the uniform, then I'm sure it's like okay. But like that's like new colors and like clear, so yeah, you can't do like anything. You can't do anything what is it, what's the word I'm looking for, stylish. Like, you can't do any pinks, greens, blues, like anything. Like, you just have to be plain Jane, lame and boring. And yeah, that it sucks. But my nails still look really good, even though they're just clear now. currently. I don't know if I should be quiet while doing this video or if I should keep talking, because I know some people like quiet and some people like talking, but you know, it's my video, so I'm gonna do what I want, like, period. But yeah, this is me still just putting the tape all around. Probably should have sped this part up a little bit quicker. I'm probably gonna edit and take some of this out. But yeah, this is just me doing all 4 corners and making sure that it's really secure in the spot. But talk to me, like, should I do, like, what kind of videos do you guys think I should do? Like, comment below and, like, really tell me what you guys think I should do. Like, I'm really open to criticism and opinions and all the other good stuff. Like, talk to me. Like, I'm not really a mean person. Like, I'm nice. I don't really like you know, conversation like that, but I don't know, I'm just not a I guess outgoing person. I'm an outgoing person, but I'm not really a what is it, outrovert? I'm more of an introvert than a, what is it, extrovert? It's not extrovert. I'm more of an introvert though. That's yeah, I'm not really an extrovert. There you go. Thank you. I'm not really an extrovert, but I'm more of an introvert. Like, but once I get to know you, then I'm really, like, outgoing. Anyways, I had put the spray paint on my mirror, and I couldn't get a video of me doing it. I had a video, but it wasn't letting me add it to my stuff for some reason. So, like, this is just a kind of a video after the fact. And this trash bag piece was, like, irritating me because why? Like, why? And then I went back and added some more of the other color because I was like, this is kind of like too straightforward, and I just wanted more of a mix and match instead of just like a blend piece. I wanted more of a color, like color pop the pinks. So that's what I tried to do. And then I had went to the store, and while I went to the store, I had turned on my fan and let the spray paint dry. And then once I came back from the store, I had started with the flower process. So, like, these are some of the flowers I had got, and I just took apart the flowers and made it to where I could just put the flowers directly on. So this is me kind of like laying the flowers along the side to see exactly where I wanted to place them and make sure that I had enough. And this is me putting the flowers actually on the mirror and then just using the hot glue and going over the flowers. So, like, if it's layers, I just put a little bit hot glue and then I put the flower on top, and I do a little bit more hot glue and then I put the flower on top again, and I just keep going until there's no more to put on with that flower. And I just kind of press, but the hot glue is going to be hot, so please be careful with that. Please be careful, because I did burn myself a couple times, but I really didn't care because, like, I'm used to it. But yeah, so, like, tell me something about you guys. Like, I am 20 years old. I'm in the military. I don't have any kids. I'm from Oklahoma, Tulsa to be exact. Born and raised, and then I moved to Broken Arrow, where I graduated at. And see, this is me, like, taking off the trash bags and taking off the frog tape, which I wish I would have waited just a little bit longer, because once I start putting the hot glue on, it's kind of like got on the mirror a little bit, but, like, you can take it off, but, like, it's just more tedious, you know? Like, if you just leave the trash bags on just a little bit longer while you actually put the flowers on, then it'll be less of a hassle after the fact. So yeah, like, don't make the mistakes I did. Be better, please be better. So yeah, this is just me taking off the frog tape. And look how good it looks though. Like, it just looks so good. Like, this is so satisfying. And I'm trying to be careful. And I wish I really would have waited just a little bit longer to take off the tape in the trash bags. I'll probably do a more detailed about me video once I get more stuff or more time, because right now, like, I'm doing this detail, so I really have no self time. Like, we're 3 days on, 3 days off, and it's just hard to like get to do what I want to do. Anyways, this is the part of the video where I have officially super glued everything on, and yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this video was a little short-lived, but I will definitely try to make a longer one for you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.